Hello students. Today we are going to learn new poem. The name of the poem is Another Chance. It's written by Helen Steiner Rice. She was an American writer of inspirational poetry. So let's read the poem and discuss the summary. Another chance. How often we wish for another chance to make a fresh beginning, a chance to blot out our mistakes and change failure into winning. It does not take a new day to make a brand new start. It only takes a deep desire to try with all our heart, to live a little better and be always forgiving, and to add little sunshine to the world in which we are living. So never give up in despair and think that you are through, for there's always a tomorrow and the hope of starting new. The poem Another Chance is about the different chances in our life. The writer expressed the idea of the people are desiring for another chance. They want it for their mistakes. He says that we should give an extra chance for everybody, as it is all about the matter of the heart. The first stanza tells us it is very important to make a fresh beginning, that we usually wish for another chance in life. Moreover, another chance will help us to change failure into success and correct our mistakes. Now let's learn the second stanza. She has written it very beautifully and give us a very nice message. She believes that in order to make a new start, we ought to have a deep desire in our heart. It means if you are a failure in first attempt, we should not have to give up. We should have to try for second chance, another chance, and it should be in this desire should be deep in our heart and it should be strong. Okay. And another message she is giving from this stanza, she says that we must have the quality of forgiving others. If we try to forgive others, we will be delightful, and we must always be hopeful for a better tomorrow. We should forget the past and live in the present for a better future. She tells us accept all the challenges in your life and enjoy your life. In the third stanza, she explains one should not be contented. Okay, content means what? Satisfied with one attempt. If you get the failure in one attempt, try for second one. Okay, until we get the succeed. And what helps one of to take another chance? A deep desire. Okay, it should be there in your heart. Never give in despair. It means the poet asks us not to give up in despair, because there's always a tomorrow and hope of starting new. So this poem gives us a very beautiful message and moral to us. What we learned from this poem? Yes, we must have the quality of forgiving others. And second one is what? We must always be hopeful for a better tomorrow. Okay? It means forget the past and live in the present for a better future. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.